Hi, thank you once again for downloading our ebook. I am hoping that the content will give you inspiration as well as information on how to do business in China and how to create a solid foundation for your market entry as well as your growth in China. In this video, I wanted to take the opportunity to introduce you to Woodburn Services. What do we do and how can we help you in China? Woodburn Accountants and Advisors is my family business. It's my brother and myself that are the managing directors. We have our head office, which is based in Hong Kong, and our subsidiary, which is based in Shanghai. And we've evenly split the duties where Sven is handling our Hong Kong operations and I am handling our China operations from our Shanghai office. At Woodburn, we are continuously striving to support foreign investors on their Hong Kong and China journey. And our aim is to bring them to success. We are happy to provide a one-stop shop solution in both jurisdictions, where we provide investment advisory and incorporation, financial and strategic advisory, VAT consultancy, accounting, tax, bank, VAT invoicing, and payroll services to our valued clients. We also provide additional out-of-the-box services, such as our cross-border e-commerce mentorship program. We provide non-executive director services to help you brainstorm and think out of the box on how to create a solid sales strategy or strategy for China. We also offer employer of record services where we can hire people on the ground on your behalf that are legally and properly employed as well. But in brief, what do we do? Well, as part of our investment advisory and incorporation services, which does entail our non-executive services, non-executive director services, as well as our cross-border e-commerce mentorship program, we are helping you with your market entry. So market entry into a new jurisdiction requires proper attention and planning. At Woodburn Accountants and Advisors, we educate you on the legal, tax, and corporate obligations that a company must fulfill when entering China and Hong Kong. And we help you in creating a tailor-made business model for both your short-term and long-term growth and strategy within the markets. We can offer services in establishing a physical or virtual operation in both jurisdictions while educating you on the local laws, business, and cultural practices, guiding you throughout the process of company implementation and all corporate compliance requirements thereafter. As part of our financial and strategic advisory, at Woodburn, we give you access to professionals in-house who can provide you with the one-on-one advice and guidance on a range of issues that you may face, including concerns such as cash flow management, procurement, sales and marketing, inventory control, internal risk management. Our advice is given based on your situation from two perspectives: our financial advisors and our strategic advisors, who have substantial operational experience in both China and Hong Kong. This will enable you to take needed action and ensure progress and obviously profit in your China operations. So rather than suffer in silence, why not allow Woodburn to support you and your company to become as successful and as profitable as possible? We then offer outsourcing solutions. So in terms of accounting, I'm not sure you're aware, but in China, it is mandatory to maintain an accurate and up-to-date set of accounts on a monthly basis. We provide you with monthly bookkeeping services using professionally experienced staff who ensure that you have a comprehensive and reliable record of accounts at the end of each month. But we also provide you with weekly updates on bank balances and what you need to understand from your accounts receivables, accounts payables as well. China's tax regulations are ever-changing, and they can be complex depending on the type of structure you have decided upon in regards to your business model. And at Woodburn, our aim is to alleviate that tax pressure. We want to create a tax optimized structure for you. And you can be assured that we have the understanding and the technical know-how on how to solve your problems, whether you're importing to China, exporting from China, providing services within China, selling domestically within China, whether you're manufacturing, whether you're an R&D operation. Our services start from the initial pre-investment tax advisory, where we are trying to create a tax optimized structure, all the way through to the international cross-border advisory, which does entail repatriation strategies should you be profitable. We declare monthly, quarterly, annual tax forms according to the Chinese requirements. In Hong Kong, it's based on an annual tax regime. And we act as independent bank account signatories to facilitate payments, remittances, and transfers should you not be able to do this yourself, or you're not able to do this in the Chinese language. We also provide VAT consultancy, which is critical for those of you that are particularly trading in China as well as manufacturing in China. VAT is a sales tax in China, which is complex and extremely old-fashioned. There are strict and rigid rules that require you to be or to create standard operating procedures around your VAT alone. So at Woodburn, we can provide expert advice and guidance to ensure that your company is meeting the requirements and to answer any questions you may have regarding transactions that are flowing through the entity. In addition, we will support you in registering your company for VAT, completing your VAT returns each month, freeing you up from spending your valuable time managing your accounts so that you can focus on your core business activities. But ultimately, under our VAT consultancy, we are also helping you to negotiate contracts with suppliers, with clients, to make sure that the VAT that is applicable is optimized. Then we also provide VAT invoicing. China operates a centralized invoicing system known as the Golden Tax System, which restricts companies on issuing invoices, and they have to be issued on government certified software systems, pre-numbered invoices, and specific printers. Like I said, it's an old-fashioned system. The issuance of approved VAT invoices in China is strictly controlled by the tax authorities. Pre-approved paper invoices, which are called fapiaos, are provided within the Golden Tax System. The issue in China is, again, that VAT and VAT invoices are considered like gold. If you lose one, there are extremely high penalties that are around that. And what we do is we educate you on what this VAT invoicing means, how it can affect your operation from a day-to-day basis, and we can also help you to issue those invoices and keep those fapiaos safe. Our employer of record services is for those of you that are not ready yet to commit to the Chinese market. You're not sure in which direction it's going into, and you don't yet have a high commitment level or high risk-taking level. So the employer of record service is something whereby you can see the potential of the market, you know that there are opportunities, and you would love to have your own people on the ground supporting that business for a year, 18 months, 2 years, to really see where this is growing and how this is scaling up. So the ability of having you set up an operational virtual system where you have people on the ground but that are employed by Woodburn accountants and advisors, they have legal Chinese contracts, they are going through the proper China payroll functions. This is all critical in making sure you're doing things above board versus doing things on the sly and looking for potentially illegal loopholes that can give your employees leverage over you. So the employer of record service is a great advantage for you, particularly if you're in this early startup phase, but you still want people on it. These are all of our services. Being that we are a family-owned business and we've gone through our own obstacles and roadblocks along our own China journey, we are also extremely flexible on how we create a tailor-made solution for our clients and how we can help them and work with them. So reach out if you are looking to do business in China, if you are looking for a strategic advisor to help you on your sales channels or your supplier channels. reach out if you are looking to actually execute and implement your structures on the ground. I'm going to provide you with the links to our website where you can find more information on us. We also have some wonderful publications that are free of charge. And we have a wonderful YouTube channel where we have daily videos highlighting issues around doing business in China. And we also have webinars that are on there. And if you are interested, come along and join our Thrive in China Roundtable, where every single week we highlight a different topic around marketing, branding, operational aspects to doing business in China, structural topics on what are the best structures and trends that people are using, and a lot of new information about doing business in China from a legal, tax, and compliance perspective. So do join in. It's a complimentary roundtable every Wednesday from 12 p.m. Central European time. And again, I hope this information has helped. I hope you enjoy our ebook, and I look forward to having a one-to-one discussion with you on doing business in China. Have a great day, great afternoon, take care, and goodbye.